Welcome to Falcon Technology's installation guide of how to simply fit the Falcon rearview camera system. First, prepare the area by cleaning, making sure the area is dust and grease free. After choosing the location where you want the camera to be installed, place the metal plate in the area, draw around the plate with a pencil or a washable ink pen. Mark out the area with insulation tape. Spread glue on the metal plate, covering it evenly. Position the plate in the marked area. Apply tape to hold the plate in position whilst the glue is bonding. Leave for 24 hours. Remove the tape on and around the plate. Your plate should now be firmly fixed in place and your camera will sit on perfectly. Turn the camera on by pressing the black button. Plug the power connector of your monitor into your cigarette lighter socket. Switch on your monitor by pressing the button. Now you have visibility behind your van when driving or reversing. Life made easy by Falcon.